Hello guys, today we are seeing a dump semi-trailer. We also call it a rear tipping semi-trailer for China domestic market. It is red color. In the front, it is as usual with the airline and the electricity line and ABS. Here is the ABS indicator. Here is the label for how to maintain the airline and the electricity line. This is the nameplate of our factory. Now here we have two black set and also two black part sitting on the four pieces of right angle part with bolt and nut connecting together so it can hoist up. Here we have a handle. This bar is to handling the hydraulic oil hose. Here is the set for the hydraulic oil tank. At the bottom we have 90mm diameter kingpin and the aluminum double side operation landing gear. Quite normal. On the top we have a huge box here to load the construction waste or some other stuff. It is removable because we need to remove this wall and get the license and then remove and mount it down after we get the license. Here is the side protection. It's quite small. This is also for the Chinese regulation because we need to make it small and try to give the curved side to protect anything to hit the tire directly. Here the tire and rim. Here the suspension hanger and equalizer. We have a loop here. If we pull it, we can see the air reserve tank is empty. If it has any air, it will release the air and the water and the waste. Oh, this one you can hear. See, the driver won't need to go to the bottom of the trailer, check it. And then here we can see axles, braking line, air chamber, spring. This is the rear protection guard. Sorry for the noise. It is the environment protection equipment. In China, we need to install those equipment for every workshop. It's like a vacuum. Okay, here is the rear door. If you open the rear door, you can dump the cargo, or you don't need to open the rear door. You just need to leave it open, and then here it's gonna lift up, and then the cargo gonna be dumped to the rear. That lock device would open automatically when the body is tipping to the top. This is the mud guard to prevent the wheels and giving the mud to the top of the mud guard. Here's the ladder. The ladder can help you to go to the top and to check the cargo or give the canvas for the trailer. Okay, I think that's enough for today's video. If you guys like, please hit the like button or subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you guys next time. Bye bye.